First thing, I learn about improving our training. We can use another language to provide the training that will be so easier for the tree growers and the SME to understand. I also learn about to have more practical and the student to spend much time in hands working rather than staying in the class. But I also learn about having some good environment within the learning institution, and also thinking about the human right and the nice place for people that they can sit and have their privacy.
Today, first of all, I learned about more practical rather than depending on the theoretical part, while the practical is more rather than depending on the theoretical. The second one, good environment for student is very important. It makes him or her to learn without fearing, or he might be out of the stress. He feel okay to have anything happened in the campus. The last one was how to conserve the environment. Actually, the environment are very impressive, very, very clean, very well organized. So I liked the environment in general.
That we engage the student most in practical rather than theory. And for example, we've seen the vocational students, they are doing forwarding, they are loading the logs themselves, and the trainers. So we are going to use our tractor, full equipped tractor in our fit kit to make sure that the student, they will be well equipped with the knowledge and the skills to operate each and everything from safety, operation procedure. Yes. Okay. I'm going to change the FUTIKI and my country.
My work, the things to changing. I going to convincing people to good silviculture in his forest. To make it best silviculture means thinning, pruning, but not using have not harvesting all the tree, but doing thinning.
I have a lot to tell as I learn more on forestry and the forest industry's technologies. I can see I have a lot of tasks to do, especially in my development work. As I'm dealing with the improvement of curricula, I need to improve a lot, especially in machinery. I can see some students here, they are learning by practical, like I can see the student operating the tractor for loading, offloading, logs. But in our institute, there are not such topics which we can improve. So for now, I have a work to do on improvement of such things, even in forest activities, measuring forestry, and so on.
The best today for me is I see the institute is well organized and they have everything which can facilitate or help the student to be competent. And also, most surprising for me, I was wonder. I see the machine which is equipped by circular saw, but it is producing a smooth surface timber.
The quality.
Maybe in comparing Tanzania, it seems like it's sown by maybe wood miser or something advanced machine, but it is still a old technology, which maybe also we have it in FITIC, and we have the same machine in FIT, but I realize that maybe in so doctoring are well equipped to make them to produce a wood.
Well, the best part of today was going to the forest, which is the different thing that we learned from when we came here. And the best of the best was using the the reloscope on having the to measure the what is that what is that basal area, yes, basal area, yes, of the trees, and also to identify which age the thinning has to be done by using the reloscope.
And now you can build your own reloscope, right?
Of course, yes, because I know the measurement of the reloscope, I can measure, I can build mine by using even wood to make it more innovative. Yes.
Impressed me that the forest is is mixed with some water sources, especially many lakes, and those lakes can be used for leisures because each lake have a sauna part. You can experience good thing. You can make some swimming, then you come up to the sauna. And what a good experience I had that we find even it's ice in some places.